Hi guys, thank you for watching me. This is the Unscrambled Manifesto of Africa, and I'm Kogi Tui, the author of the book. You can get it in Amazon.com. Today we are going to talk about justice. Law and order enforcement and just judgments should follow the traditional systems in most instances, apart from when the cases involve a sophisticated array of criminal activity, including techno-savvy modern thievery. In Africa, it is not in the best interest of the community seeing public avenues of justice being involved in marital affairs, settlement, land disputes, livestock disputes, when we have traditional systems of elders that can adjudicate such matters without the overt adversarial approach of our courts. And talking of adversarial approach, this manifesto suggests a hybrid system be adopted incorporating inquisitorial approach where the judges have their own investigating and prosecution wing of the defense forces in order to confirm that the natural head prosecutor has no free way of sabotaging investigation, as is the case now, where the director of public prosecution has really of choice about the matters he or she wants to prosecute before the judge. The judge remains in the dark until two parties appear before him or her to decide which side has a stronger case. We propose that the judicial unit be given their own prosecutorial avenue and added investigation officers to concurrently investigate the cases at hand together with the DPP and the police, so that we beef up the empirical nature of cases that proceed to the corridors of justice and indeed the courts. Such hybrid systems can also lead to the minimization of keeping prisoners in jails. Indeed, these jails are foreign things in Africa. In African traditional setup, someone should be reprimanded, fined, beaten, or sometimes killed or maimed rather than being jailed and to be denied his or her humanity. At the moment, the Kenyan laws favor the rich over the have-nots, simply because the fines proposed are not hefty to the rich, but on the other hand, they cost an arm and a leg for the simpletons who may be obliged to sell their ancestral land if they are to meet bail or bond terms. We also suggest that offenses be categorized properly, so that whenever one is arrested for petty offenses, he or she should not be mixed with capital offenders. This scenario of mixing all offenders together in remand and in police custody should stop. Even for the judges, they must appreciate the need to separate the offenses and pass judgments that is in line with the nature of the offense meted. We cannot have someone spending jail terms for a petty offense which he or she should have had a judgment to do some community work for gratis in the line of cleaning the environment for maybe 3 to 6 months, or planting trees in forested areas for 3-6 years, instead of jailing such culprits together with capital offenders such as murderers and violent robbers. This and more we recommend, as per the guidance of the experts of justice law, shall overlay and beyond recommend to be implemented in haste. Thank you so much for today listening to me as we adjudicate these 40 points in the Unscrambled Manifesto of Africa. As always, thank you very much.